buy it. Move some more.
Where are you some more? I see another one.
No one.
Down there.
Then,
Careful.
Okay, got it. Well, I'm gonna buy it.
Good job. Did you get it in your mouth? Let me see.
Yeah. It's a mouse. I bought it. No, it's open. I'm a mouse.
Hey, did you see the baby geese?
Where?
Where are they?
No. I want to read.
Do you like the baby geese?
Yeah. I want to read baby geese.
You want to eat them?
I want to read them.
You want to feed them?
I want no one. Meow.
I don't know where they went. What?
I don't know. I want these.
I don't know.